Hey everybody, it's me, and I am on with a Saturday morning showing the pages I've done for the baby calendar that I've been talking about endlessly. But at first, I wanted to share. Joyce sent me two cute cards for Easter, and she didn't write in them, so I can use them. This is so cute, and this is, she said, a Cocorosa die. So thank you for sharing that, Joyce. That is adorable. And if you use my coupon code Kimbo, you get 25% off. Okay. And then look at this one. Oh my gosh. Look at the Nomies. I love the grass. That is just gorgeous, Joyce. You do a really nice job coloring. Oh, so pretty. So thank you. And, all right, let's get started here. Okay, so what I do is, this is a 12 by 12 calendar because I happen to have this. It's SPC is the company. I think they have them on. I used to get them at Ben Franklin. They're not carrying them anymore. So I went with this because I wanted to use up. It gives me more space. You'll see. I mean, if you put the big place for the picture of the baby, that takes up an 8.5 by 11 calendar pretty much. So I did this. So here is one of them. These are not in the order I'll put them in the book, but I just thought I'd share. And this is a pad from Hobby Lobby, I believe. Yeah, Paper Studio. Cute stuff in there. Oh my gosh. So I had that in my stash, and I used two different papers, and then I used a lot of my Echo Park embellishments. I think they came from here. Yes. And this one was from Echo Park Element Sticker. I don't know what it's called. Our Baby. So you can see I've used some of those. And the other element sticker pad that I used throughout the project was this one, Baby Boy. So there's that. And I just think that turned out so cute. So the lion, the elephant, and the giraffe just went perfectly with the theme of this. Isn't that cute? So the parents can put the picture here. I do 5 by 7 and then 4 by 6. This I tore the edge from paper in there. And then I cut it down to 11 3/4 so that it fits the 12 by 12 because of the wires, coils. So there's that one. Where should I put it down here? Okay, I made this one last night. And look at this. Here's my rainbow ribbon that I got at Michael's recently. And this came from a Mombi pack. See, I just have everything by Baby Boy that I've had. I don't think it's current anymore. Hey Baby Boy, I think it's called. Cute stuff in here, though. Oh my gosh. So I did that, and then I used that sticker is from Paper Studio. They look like a rub-on, but they're just that clear. Giggle and smile. But the whole thing was pretty much, this was the Mombi, this is Mombi, and this just took up the whole, that was super easy page to put together. So that was fun. And this I had loose in my stash, these two papers, so I did that, and then I have an 8 by 8. I didn't bring it down. But I think that, and then I have these trims that are K & Company. So I could do a couple more of these. This is, and then look what I used. Recollections, cut and emboss, little hands and feet. Oh my gosh, so cute. So there's the feet. It embosses it. I don't know if you can tell. And then cuts it out. And then I used an oval this time, which looks good for now, but, you know, the parent, whatever they put there is not going to be oval. But that's okay. I will leave her a note explaining. So, Love You Forever from Echo Park. So they're not that involved because I want the baby's picture to be the focus. Usually I do holidays. I didn't this time. I just went. I colored this in the past. I had this in my, I think I used colored pencil, it looks like. You could just kind of tell by the texture, and then cut it out in an oval with an oval scallop. And then there's some more paper from that pack from Hobby Lobby, Echo Park. And this was loose. And this is from, I don't know. There's a Echo Park Wild and Free. Oh my gosh. I thought the rainbows were perfect for the Noah's Ark. And then just the base is blue, so very fun. This one I had digitals that I cut out, and this base paper is from, not that you guys are going to have this stuff, but Anna Griffin, scrapbook cardstock designer. And I think I might have gotten this from somebody. If I did, thank you. This is like a velvet, and it has chicks and bunnies. You probably can't tell, but it's like a velvet raised. Got these bows from Temu. So it's Peter Rabbit themed, this page. And then Big Dream Big, Little One, Boy, and Loved. And I did this. It's embossed. So, you know, I have all this stuff. Eventually I do use it. Most of it. So this is from a set I got, Little Angel. Again, I think somebody sent me this, or I bought it. I can't remember. And it just added some texture. And that's where the picture will go, but here's all these images, and I just fussy cut them out. Corner rounded some of them. Some of them were like a ticket. And then I had all this lace, and I think it was from Temu. I'm not sure. Isn't he cute? Oh, little Peter Rabbit. There he is, hugging his mama. And she's... So, very pretty. This one is Winnie the Pooh. Oh my gosh. This is one of the first ones I made. Super, like I said, these are super simple. It's not like I'm going into any too much detail, because again, I want the picture to be the focal, and I don't want it too dimensional, because then it's going to get too heavy to hang up, and it won't lay right. Our sweet bundle of joy. Oh my gosh. Cute. This one I already had in there done, so that's was a deal. I don't remember. See, I had it on there, and I think I did it upside down or something. I can't remember. But cute. Isn't that adorable? And I've had the scraps of this plaid, so you saw that in some of the other ones. So I try to do vertical and horizontal so that they can choose. And then this one, Authentique, that's right. And then these are from Echo Park. So I will give her a pen and a glue, a tape runner to use with this. This is Cricut. I'll use my Cricut to do the bathtub. Isn't that cute? I did not do the bubbles from Cricut. The image came with, but this is the Teddy Bear Parade, one of my favorites. And then I had somebody sent me these, letters, so I shadowed them. There's the ducky. Cute. Oh my gosh. So much fun. And then it's just on a blue base. This one was another easy one to put together. I believe this is K & Company. And I just added a mat, some stickers, but this base was done for me. And again, here's those letters, and I just shadowed them, layered them so they're shadowed, but this is all just printed on the paper. I did 12, so hang in there. Welcome, baby boy. This will probably be my first one. I use my Rick Rack. Nice to meet you. And then I'll have to put the picture over that. But for presentation, it's nice to have something on there, even though that's where they're going to put. I should put a sticker picture here or something like that. But cute. I think this, and I just tore the edges. So there is that one. And the last one is Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. And this was another one, I don't know where I think this is Authentique too. And I like the stars. I had this in my stash. And then I just put the stickers to kind of ground them on this yellow. And there's another Echo Park trim that goes with this. And then the Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So those are all the pages I did. I will come back when I have it all put together because I put ribbons and things, and I'll explain how I do the images. So, or the calendar rather. All right, you guys. Thank you, Joyce, for the sweet, sweet cards, and I will talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.